Hello everybody. This video is for solving rational expressions, and we have here some examples for questions. Before we go and solve this type of questions, we can start with so simple questions. For example, if we have sorry okay if we have 1 over x plus 2x plus 3 over x equals 7 over x, for example. Now, before we solve, we need to have same denominators. Do we have here same denominators? Yes, we have. Now we can cross all denominators as we are multiplying by x, multiplying by x, multiplying by x. We cancel the denominators. Now we can take all numerators and put them to form an equation, 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Now you can forget the fraction and solve this. It's 2x plus 4 equals 7. Then we can send the 4 to the right side. 2x 7 minus 4 is 3. So the x will be 3 over 2. Okay. Before we start, we should take care of the excluded values. We cannot substitute the x by 0 because we cannot divide by 0. So in this case, the 0 will be excluded. So if we have 0 here, this answer will be refused. But since we have 3 over 2, when we substitute 1 over 3 over 2, it's not 0, so it's not undefined, so we have answer. Because when we divide by 0, the answer will be undefined. Let's have some different examples. 1 over 2x, x plus 2 plus 3 over x equals 1 over 2x. Let's make it x. Okay. Now we need to make them with same denominators. Okay, so this is 2x. So this fraction, we need to multiply this by 2 by 2. Now we have 2x. This also needs to be multiplied by 2. Now when we have same denominators, we cancel. We have 1 plus 2x plus 6 because we expand equals 2. This 2x plus 7 equals 2. So 2x equals 2 minus 7, which is negative 5. So x will be negative 5 over 2. This is not one of the excluded values because the excluded value is only 0. So this is the answer. Sometimes we have questions like this. 1 over 2x plus x plus 1 over 2 plus equal 3 over x. We need the least common denominator. This is 2x, so we need to multiply this by x by x. This should be multiplied by 2 by 2. Now we can cancel all of them. This is 1 plus x squared plus x equals positive 6. So this is x squared plus x plus 1 minus 6. The answer is 0. So we can x squared plus x minus 5 equal to 0. So here we need to factorize, okay, to find the answer. But here we need to make sure that this will give us real solutions. Or we can use the calculator to solve by mode 5, 3, and we can get the answer. Now we start. Okay, the first one, do we have same denominators? we need to multiply. This is 6, so this needs to be multiplied by 2, and this we multiply this by 6. But when we multiply this by 6 up and down, this is 6k squared, this is 6k squared. When we multiply this only by 2, this will make it 6k, so need to multiply also by k. So 2k multiplied by 3k, this will be 6k squared, 2k. Now we have all the same denominators. Expand, 6k plus 12 minus k, then plus 5, because this is negative and this will change the signs, equals 2k. 6k minus k, it's 5k. 12 plus 5, which is 17, equals 2k. Now we can simplify by sending this to the left side by negative and the 17 to the right side. 3k equals negative 17 and k equals negative 17 over 3. Here we have need to multiply x, and this is over 1, so multiply by 5x times 5x. Now we can cancel all of them. This is x minus 6, x minus 10x. This is negative 9x, x minus 6, x plus 9x when we send this to the left side, and the 6 to the right side. 10x equals 6. So here we have x equals 6 over 10, which is 3 over 5. Here we multiply by m, and you can do this. Now we have a different type. Before we get the least common denominator, we need to factorize. If you multiply this by n, this will be like this. If you multiply this by n minus 4, this will be, we will have same denominators. But to know this, very simple, you need to factorize. When you factorize this denominator, this will give you n and n minus 4. Now you can see the difference. n, so we need to multiply here by n. n minus 4, so we need to multiply n minus 4. Up and down. You can cancel this. N plus n minus 5 equals 6n minus, this is 4, minus 24. This is 2n minus 5, 6n minus 24. Minus 2n minus 2n plus 24 plus 24. Here 4n, and here we have 19. So n will be 19 over 4. And we will do the following by the same idea. Let's have this. You need to factorize b minus 1. So you need to multiply this by b minus 1 up and down. Here we have b minus 1, b minus 1. Expand this, b squared plus b minus 2 minus 1 equals b squared minus b. Now you can see that we can cancel b squared with b squared. This will leave b minus 3 in this side equals negative b. We need to send this b positive b, so we have 2b, and this to the right side would be positive 3. Now we have b equal 3 over 2. This is how to solve. Sometimes, as you know, we need to factorize the final equation to solve, or you can do it by the calculator by mode 5-3. Here we can factorize x squared, x minus 2. We have x squared, we have x squared, so multiply x minus 2 here, up and down, x minus 2 up and down, and you can do it.